Welcome to CDC Printers Ahmedabad, a system-driven book manufacturing facility built for speed, precision and controlled scalability. The journey to such a massive scale begins in our paper warehouse, where reels are stored, coded and digitally mapped to production schedules. Once the materials are ready, they move onto our printing floor, which is anchored by high-speed Manograph web offset presses. These machines run at up to 30,000 sections per hour. To ensure total accuracy even at these peak speeds, the presses are equipped with automated camera-based registration and cut-off control systems. Once printed and folded, the sections move into automated gathering lines. These machines are fitted with camera systems that eliminate collation errors, ensuring that every book block is correctly assembled. This precision carries into our sewing department, where automated sewing machines utilize additional camera verification to maintain absolute accuracy during stitching. From there, the sewn blocks move into fully integrated binding and packing lines. In this synchronized flow, cover feeding, trimming, shrink wrapping, and carton packing happen in one motion. With online label application and barcode scanning, every carton is verified before dispatch. Our systems are structured to handle any quantity, from 500 copies to multi-million print runs. It is the seamless integration of speed and skill that allows us to produce 200,000 to 300,000 books every single day. While the scale is vast, the oversight is microscopic. In-process quality control is live and measurable, with critical checkpoints logged digitally across departments. This feeds real-time data into our customer portal, allowing clients to monitor their project's progress from reloading to the final barcode scan at dispatch. Our dedication to quality is backed by global standards. We are ISO 9001 2015 certified for quality management and hold the FSC Chain of Custody certification for sustainable paper sourcing. We also maintain strict social and ethical standards, complying with the Disney ILS program, BSCI, and SEDEX audits. Furthermore, our reputation as a certified star export house by the Government of India reflects our commitment to international trade excellence. Our pursuit of excellence has earned us over 120 national awards in the last 5 years alone, including being named Global Printer of the Year 2024 and Factory of the Year 2025. This world-class recognition has allowed us to serve more than 2,300 customers worldwide and expand our reach to 46 countries, delivering Indian manufacturing excellence to every corner of the globe. At CDC Printers Ahmedabad, we also believe that high-capacity manufacturing must be responsible. This is a green facility designed with a zero liquid discharge system and 100% rainwater harvesting, aimed at providing 100% solar-powered operations in the near future. At CDC Printers Ahmedabad, we combine massive scale with total transparency to deliver the future of book manufacturing. CDC Printers, delivering high-quality results through better technology, massive scale, and reliable service.